Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today we're going to be making ice cream donuts. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love unique recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Okay, so Fridays, I usually do Fab 5 Fridays. So 5 ingredient recipes that are absolutely delicious. And today, actually, technically, this could be a 5 ingredient recipe. If we left off the sprinkles, then it would be 5 ingredients. But the reason I'm doing this recipe today is not because it's 5 ingredients, but because it's National Donut Day. And I kept thinking, what kind of donuts do I want to make? Well, if you tuned in Wednesday for Wacky Wednesday, we did an ice cream bread, which was the first time I ever made it. It was just 2 ingredients plus sprinkles. And I was just amazed that you could make like a bread out of just ice cream and some self-rising flour. So that's what we're doing. I thought, what if I add a little bit more sugar? Maybe we can make donuts out of these. So super, super simple. I'm hoping, I have not made these before. I just altered the recipe just a little bit. I decided to add some cocoa powder and a little bit more flour. So I have 1.5 cups here of self-rising flour, and then I have 2 cups of ice cream. And the other day when I did this, I used my stand mixer, but I don't think it's really necessary as long as it's mixed up really well. So I just made sure that I melted the ice cream a little bit more this time. So I'm just going to kind of stir this around. I'm also going to add in 1/2 cup of sugar. And then I'm going to add in, just to make it have like a little bit of a richer chocolate flavor, we're going to do a couple of teaspoons of cocoa powder. And that is it. All right, so we'll give this a good stir. All right, that looks pretty good. So I have got a pastry bag here. And I've also got my donut pan from Pampered Chef. So I'm going to try to pour this in here. See how good of a job I do. Hopefully I don't go getting it all over the counter. Ooh, so far so good. Alright, let's fold it up just a little bit. See if I can add just a little bit more here. I got some on my hand. Add a little bit more. Alright, I think that is good. Let's see if I can get this off my hand. Oh no! Man, well, we're going to be short a couple of donuts. Look at that. And it's probably coming out in the bottom of here, too. Gosh, I kind of suck at this job. All right, let's see if we can pipe some of these in here. We'll try to fill these about half full, I think. If I remember correctly, our bread did not rise a whole bunch. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing since half of it's on the counter. I got my pan way over here. Yeah, this probably would have made right at 12 donuts. Almost, right? Okay, so that is it. And again, I just kind of made this recipe up, so I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees, and I'm just going to sniff until I smell them. I'm going to guess about 20 minutes they'll be done. So off to the oven they go. Okay, donuts are done. I let them cool off just a tiny bit, not a whole lot. And then I took some regular frosting that comes in the tub and I put it in the microwave just to soften it up a little bit. But one thing I want to point out is just how easy these come out of here. You don't have to spray the pan or anything. They are completely non-stick. And don't you love the color? This one's so cute. So this is our donut pan, and I'll put the link to that in the description below. But anyway, I'm just going to take my little donuts and kind of run them around in the icing. And then we'll flip it up and add a little bit of sprinkles. I should probably put some newspaper or something over here because those look like rabbit turds on the countertop. All right, another one. We need a little more frosting than that. There we go. Go ahead and put some sprinkles on here. I think I'll wait on the other ones because I'm making a mess here on my counter. I should have put something under there. So let's take this one and give it a try, though. Those are really good. Really good. They're a little more cakey, almost kind of like a brownie. They remind me of something chocolatey I've had before that I really like, and I don't know what it is. But obviously they're a donut. Those are really, really good. So you guys got to give these a try. I mean, could it be easier to make donuts? I don't think so. And you know, you could put those in a little muffin pan and make them that way too, I bet, if you didn't want to do donuts with them. But definitely give these a try and let me know what you think. I think they're a lot of fun. And of course you could do different flavors, just like I did with the ice cream cake the other day, or ice cream bread. You could do a butter pecan, a strawberry and vanilla swirl. Wouldn't that be pretty? With some little chocolate chips on top. All right. I'm going to get to decorating the rest of these and try not to make a mess. I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.